Mayeni was crying on diaries why Musamseleku and Mpumelelo they didn't tell her about Amahle. She raised Mpumelelo alone for a long time, but now she is nobody to Mpumelelo because they are hiding some of the things to her. Mayeni last time she was warning Mpumelelo to wear a condom when he is sleeping with other girls because he is going to get sick. Musamseleku told Mpumelelo not to listen to this. I think Musamseleku have to fix that issue. But sometimes Mayeni is wrong because Mayeni doesn't support the polygamy the way she is doing to Musamseleku. What about Mpumelelo to accept every woman comes on Mpumelel's life? Musamseleku and Mpumelelo, they tried it long time ago to bring Fuyokas, but they are not getting along with Fuyokas. That's why they decide to do it on secret, and they are telling her later if she decides to accept Amahle. Musamseleku knows Mayeni very well that Mayeni, she can oppose sometimes not to accept at that time, but later Mayeni can accept. So sometimes we can take Mayeni's side, but at other side, Mayeni, she was wrong. Yes, Mayeni raised Mpumelelo, but when it comes to the polygamy, what Mpumelelo knows that Musamseleku always support him than Mayeni. So Mayeni have to leave it. Yes, she raised Mpumelelo alone for a long time, but Mpumelelo is a man to man. You understand? They have to support each other, a son and a father. So Mayeni, she says she is nobody to Mpumelelo. Mayeni have got a girl child, Owans. Yes, Owans was always being supported by Mayeni, but Mnini and Mpumelelo, she have to forget that Musamseleku support them. If Mayeni doesn't want her son to have polygamy, what is sometimes Mayeni is wasting her time. She have to support it, whether she like it or not. It's a problem. At other side, why Musamseleku and Mpumelelo, they didn't tell Mayeni at that time about Amahle. They are not getting along about Makwela. There is an issue about Musamseleku and Makwela. So guys, Mayeni can't accept Amahle when she can't accept Makwela. You understand? There is a challenge between those two things. Musamseleku and Mpumelelo, they know what they are doing. That's why they stopped telling Mayeni. And there is an issue because people on social media are going to talk many things about it. That's why they are trying to protect Mayeni. Mayeni doesn't see that Musamseleku was trying to protect Mayeni on social media than to say Mayeni was not supposed to accept Makwela because it was not the right time to accept Makwela, because people were going to ask Mayeni some of the question why she accept Makwela but she doesn't want to, why she's accept Amahle, she doesn't want to accept Makwela. It doesn't make any sense that Tirelo have to complain. What about here? We understand because it's up between Tirelo and Mayeni now. Tirelo was complaining about Amahle. At the side, Mayeni now it's about Makwela. You understand? That's why Musamseleku and Mpumelelo, they didn't tell Mayeni at that time. Musamseleku want to fix the issue about Makwela. You understand? He knows that when he fix the issue about Makwela, and then he can fix about Amahle. He can start with Mayeni to get along with Amahle, but they are not getting along with the sister, yes, sister's wife Makwela. It doesn't make any sense, guys, that Amahle can be first, the daughter can come up before Makwela. It doesn't make any sense. You understand? So sometimes you can take Mayeni say that Mayeni she was right. No. Mayeni, yes, we know that she raised Mpumelelo and she says she is nobody. Sometimes Mayeni, when she was telling Mpumelelo that you have to wear a condom, Mayeni knows that when Mpumelelo is getting sick, it's her responsibility to take care of her son. You understand? But Musamseleku told Mpumelelo not to listen to this. I think it was wrong. But at other side, Mayeni have to accept Makwela and accept Amahle. She doesn't have a choice.